How to change accounts on Dropbox app. So to start, we'll have to open our Dropbox application, and then in here, once you're logged in, at the bottom part, you will see this account option. Simply tap on this one, and then here on our profile, tap on the settings icon. And then under settings, we'll have to scroll down until you find this option, sign out of this Dropbox. What we need to do is to tap on this one. So for you to change accounts, all you need to do is to sign out of your first account and then simply log into your other account. But if you have a premium account on Dropbox, you are supposed to see a preference option under settings. All you need to do is to tap on that one, and then you will be able to add another account, and then once you have added your other account on the Dropbox app, you can easily switch to that other account. So those are the ways on how you can change accounts on Dropbox app. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!